All right, we have McNutt here. McNutt is here doing his Iron Chef routine. Tell us what you're doing, McNutt.
Right now I'm deep frying a corn tortilla and trying to make it crispy, and it's going to be kind of like really crispy potatoes, but not. It's going to be corn tortilla.
All right, what are we doing over here?
That's just a little enchilada sauce. I got some brown rice on with currants, a little ancho chili, Mexican oregano. It's probably getting pretty close to being done. This is probably getting pretty close to being done.
Right.
Roasting poblano in the oven.
We have some poblano in the oven.
With golden hominy. We'll make this is a roasted corn salsa.
Roasted corn salsa.
Hominy salsa. I'm going to stuff the poblano with breakfast sausage that I've turned into not chorizo, but close.
Okay.
So that's what we're working on. That's actually all the components. That's everything.
That's everything.
That's everything. We're just
all right.
Finish now.
We'll see what comes up with the final product.